Hey everyone, this video is strictly for beginners, not for those who use Gemini every day. Let's dive in. I liked a YouTube video and wanted its transcript, so I asked Gemini, give me the transcript of this video. But I got a reply saying, I'm sorry, I am unable to provide the transcript for this video. So I tried a different approach. First I asked, can you give me the transcript of a YouTube video? Gemini then replied, I need the URL of the YouTube video. I pasted the URL and Gemini gave me the full transcript with timestamps, but I just wanted the script without the timestamps. So I told it, give me this script in passage form. Here's where it got interesting. Gemini responded, I am a text-based AI and that is outside of my capability. I thought, well, if it's outside its capability, it probably can't give me the script in passage form. Then I remembered how it didn't give me the direct transcript the first time. I had to ask differently. So I tried, can you write my script in passage form? The reply was, I can't directly transcribe the script into a passage form. At this point, I decided to be very clear. I said, I will provide you with the script and your job is to rewrite it in passage form, okay? Gemini then asked me to paste the script. I copied the transcript with timestamps and pasted it. Finally, Gemini gave me the full script in passage form, exactly what I wanted without a single mistake. My takeaway is that sometimes AI can give you the direct result you want, but other times you might need to approach it from a different angle to get the desired outcome. By the way, I wasn't going to make this video because it's super basic, which is why I put for beginners only right on the thumbnail. But I hope it helps some beginners out there. If it did, please like and subscribe to the channel. If not, feel free to dislike it. Please give your reaction so I know whether to make more videos like this. Next up will be part 2, where we'll get into more advanced results, things Gemini initially said it couldn't do, but we'll figure out a way to get what we need.